Hello, we're back. Finally Friday, eh? It's Friday morning, and yeah, let's try doing like a workflow kind of reality show, yeah. What do we have here? We have many jobs. Like the first place, we have these tablets, which they was bought from cash converter or cash generators. I don't know, or CX, like a job load. So we have to fix them, yeah. So let's start with the first one. Actually, I done a lot. Was like a big crate full of tablets. This one is a Samsung tablet, Galaxy Tab 2 P3110. Doesn't charge. Yeah. So let's see this one. Yeah, we have a charger. Now try to, if you're a learner, try to figure it out the fault before me. So I have the charging sign. Charging goes off and it's taking around 470 milliamps. So what do you think is the problem? Well, so because of the charging port, it's taking around 470 milliamps. I don't think it's a charging port problem on the power input. That's mean plus and minus 5 volts. I don't think it's the battery. You see, I take out the charger and we still have so the battery is holding the charge. But can be a data line issue, yeah? Someone tried to open this already. Who knows, probably they tried to fix it. Serious? Huh? Okay. Plastic clips. Friday, the weekend is coming, and Monday is bank holiday. Bank holidays are the best. Battery voltage. Obviously the battery is discharged. 3.4 volts normally. It's not coming on. By the way, my solder iron just died. This one. I ordered another one. But on the meanwhile, we'll work with our USB-C solder iron. Yeah? Many ask why I'm not using this one. I do use this one, but I prefer the other one because it's good all around, yeah? Yeah, my morning cookies are here. Well, these are great. They're from Greggs and fantastic. Good taste, nice taste. Everyone is on the shop. Christian, Manuel, Everyone is doing something. Let's see if I can switch on CCTV. Yeah. You see Christian there, Manuel is on the other side. So everyone is working hard. Yeah, on the MacBook from yesterday, I want to thank you to Paul Daniels, yeah. He gave me a license for OpenBoard View. Really nice guy. Yeah, that kind of people, which they are helping the community, you know, supporting the others. It's not so easy to work for free, releasing something which it will help the others. And yeah, the time is the most expensive thing on these days. Now we can take this board out. Okay, let's have a look on the charging port. We do have few cracked pins, yeah? But check there. I think all are cracked. What do you think? Look there. Look the data pin. So actually if I will solder only this one, yeah? It's not focus. Okay, only this one, the pin number 3, yeah? It will solve the problem. Well, let's see. Yeah, it's a nice toy. Look at the temperature rising on the solder iron. Pretty fast. Because the heating resistance is on the tip inside. Yeah. So let's see what we are doing here. Yeah, this is ground. And this is the data. And we have a bridge. Okay, let's make a bridge there. Probably seems to be boring, but someone has to do it. And that's me. Let's try and check. Let's see if he's charging only with the dot pin soldered. Battery. Charger. Okay, now it's not charging at all. That's fantastic. Yeah, that's when you break things. It was charging, it's not charging anymore. I can't believe. Yeah. Well, that's the life. Let's redo all the charging port. So now even the plus and minus is not good. Probably is the ground. That's ground. I don't know what's that. That's data. This is another pin which I don't know what it is. And this is broken also. Yeah, the both pins are broken. These are meant to be together. So basically all those pins are gone. See, all are cracks and the trucks are broken. So I'll not work redoing all the pins. I just want to fix the charging. Okay, so this is a big truck. I'm looking on the big trucks. Can be plus, can be minus, who knows. I'm not searching now for the discharging port schematics. That's long. Next one. This is another big truck. All are broken. This is another ground. Yeah, let's do a quick test. Spending time on this kind of tablets, which you can buy this tablet for like £25, is not worth. Yeah, it is charging. Let's plug the battery. So doing like proper pro job is not worth. You lose money. If it's yours, yeah. But not if it's like a job. 400 milliamps. Let's see if it's jumping up to over 1 amp. And it's not. Maybe because the battery is too low? Let's try and help the battery. No. It's not going up anyway. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe those are not the data pins. But somehow we have to fix this. Let's clean it. So that no. Look on the other data line. You can see the track. The fourth pin is cracked. Yeah. Okay. So that's very important to fix the data lines because the charging current is given us by the data lines. Yes. Okay, the track is soldered. Let's try one more time. Anything does not know the data line? Samsung data lines. Let's check online. What model is? P3110. Sure. Okay. No, I was wrong. The data line is on the other side. So it's like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, and it is broken. And we have this data line broken. But that one is good, so we have only that one. Okay, let's make a track. Да. So you have to understand. To be pro, you have to afford it. I can't afford it. That's the problem. And no one will pay you to spend time on a £25 tablet, you know, to fix the video output tracks. Or you know what I mean. Because no one will pay you. Actually, in a job like that, no one will pay you. Many people, they think, okay, I will get hired and I will be paid. No, that's very wrong. No, you'll get hired, you'll pay yourself, plus you'll make money for the shop. That's how the business is working. No one will pay you. Yeah. Still not working. Why? Yeah, the data lines. No idea why it's not working. But now it's stable, 440 milliamps. Let me swap the charger on the other plug. The tablet has to switch on high amperage. It's not switching. Okay. What do we have left here? What is broken? So I haven't fixed too many of this with the charging port, to be honest. So I'm not sure which are the requirements for a high amperage charge. But yeah, it should be the data lines. If not, I'll try to solder the data lines together. Let's check one more time. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's the moment when an easy job turns out to be complicated. Can happen, can happen. Let's show the data lines. I'm not sure if it will work on this tablet. But let's try. Let's try now. Yeah, always working. Check the current. 1.3 amps. Yeah, 1.3 amps, which is perfectly fine. All what you need is the plus and minus, which I don't know where they are. I don't care, because my problem in this moment was the data lines, was the charging current was not enough. So I make a bridge here between these two resistors, yeah? Pin number 3 and pin number 4. No, pin number 3, 2 and pin number 3. No, pin number 4 and pin number 3, yeah? Okay, let's clean now, let's clean it. And we can put it back together. Let's try one more time. 1.3 amps. Stable. Okay. That's fantastic. Let's put the board back. I know what you mean. Seems to be dodgy, but it's no worth. It's £25 new. We're selling this for £25. It's an old one. You can't spend much time on it. It's kind of quiet right now. Yeah, this video should have a title like "Fixing Rubbish." But you know, it's a business. So he bought the tablets, and probably he will sell them, and he will earn money. And yeah, probably you can sell it like 25, but I don't think he paid more than £5 on this one. Yeah. So it's still a business, still a good business. You pay some money, you fix it, you resell it quickly. Let's check with the screen. I think the board is not inside. The board is not in place. 1.3 amps. Let's see if the charging sign will be on the screen, and it will stay on the screen on. Yeah, but why? Why only 400 milliamps? The current dropped to 400 milliamps. Let me change the rationale. One point three. One more time. Yeah, you know what I did? I did bridge the data lines, but the data line is still connected to one pin, and that pin the charger can is still making the difference if you use an Apple charger or a Samsung charger. Yeah, so you see now it's 1.3 stable and it's working fine. Let's try and power up. It's better if you short the data lines to don't leave any track to the data pin. You just cut down the tracks and bridge them. On that way the tablet will work with any charger. But I will not open again the tablet. Stable 1.3 amps, the charging current. Let's put the screws. Yes, on this moment, on that bridge data lines, I still have probably like 2.4 volts, which is coming from the data lines, which is still is there on place, and it's working fine. We don't have red cross on the battery. You know, on the Sasha tablet, when the charging is not with the right current, you get a cross on the battery. Many things actually it is the battery, but it's not. Yeah. You'll be surprised, but any of you guys, you know how to fix phones, you know how to fix tablets. You go now on any shop and they will hire you. Obviously, if you can prove that. I'm not saying about more about laptops and things, just, you know, phones and tablets. Because obviously, here it's still high technology, you know, electronics. So Yeah. So we can say, safe to say, this is ready. Yeah? Let me write here. Done. Okay, next one. Next one. Acer tablet. Camera doesn't. Okay, does not work. Oh, but that's sick. What can I do with the camera? Because I don't have another camera. Let me replug my cables. Where is my micro USB one? It's here. Why do I need camera on this tablet? It's not even charging. It's just vibrating. It's taking like 300 milliamps and that's all. Acer Iconia A1-810. It's not even working. What do you mean camera is not working? Why you are lying? Let's open this. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that the tablet is still working, but the battery is very low. Also, we can check the camera to see if it's working or not. Let's check the battery together. The voltage of the battery is 2.7 volts. You can see there on the multimeter, which is too low. So I'll plug the charger. You see, magic will happen when I will charge the battery. Same story, 300 milliamps. Let's charge the battery. Minus, plus, minus, plus. It's taking 3 amps. Look at the current. Check the current. The current just jumped out to 1.4 amps. You can see there. So now we have 1.4 amps. I found a lot of tablets they are not charging just because the battery is too low. So now the tablet is charging with 1.4 amps. Hopefully we have picture on the screen. Yeah, we do have picture on the screen. The camera connector, yeah, that's normal. That's why it's not working. So check here. Probably someone played with this before. That explains everything. Why the camera is not working. You have a broken connector. The camera is not even plugged in, so probably it's working even with this broken connector. Or it is plugged in. The pins are okay. Okay, let's try some magic. Let's tie these pins down. Yeah, you can see the seal is broken, so someone opened this tablet before. Let's try and power up and check. The tablet is coming on. Just shut down 0% battery. Okay. Let's help the battery with the power supply. Minus, plus. So the battery is getting 3 amps from my power supply and 1.3 amps from the charger. That means 4.3 amps, which is a lot. A lot. Should be fine now. Let's power up the tablet. Yeah, I seen yesterday someone on the video from yesterday asked me why you are not doing live streams. You know, I wish. I wish I can, but where is the Speedline application? One second, let me find it. No, it's not on my phone anymore. Speed test, yeah. Speed test, sorry. So my speed test. Yeah. You see, this is the download, which is crappy, like 14 megabits per second. But look at the upload. So I'm over the Wi-Fi right now. Yeah. I have like 1.6 upload. And to do a live stream, you need like minimal, like 5 megabits per second. The upload, yeah. It's a ADSL connection. I think the battery is still too low. Let's check the battery. Minus, plus. 3.7. Should be fine. Let's push the battery a little bit more. The current, yeah. Yeah, quite a boring job. So I think we'll spend some time together today. 1% charged. Let's see camera. Camera. What happened? Okay, the camera is not working. Huh? Yeah. How much?
30. That's what I'm buy it. 30.
Yeah?
They sell for like 890.
Okay. That's great.
Right, then he got the air capture from.
Yeah. What we can do here? How we can fix this one? You know what? I will not spend time fixing the camera when the tablet is working. It's working, it's working. Sell the tablet with a faulty camera and end of story. Let's see.
Hello.
Let's try something else. Let's try one more time. It's not working, it's not working. Yeah, still not working. Now it's working. If I keep pressed, yeah, if I keep press the connector, it's working. How do you fix something like that? Or no? Yeah, now it's working. So close. Let's try hot glue. What do you think? Hmm? It will work. Hot glue can fix something like that. Oh, what do you think? What do you think? Will work or not? Hmm? So all I need is to keep pressed down the cable. Yeah, dodgy. No, it's not working. No, hot glue cannot fix something like that. Why am I wasting time with something like that? Camera is not working. End of story. Someone broke it, you know? Tablet still working, so we're okay. Still can be sold. Can't fix. Next one. Motorola. Battery capacity issue. What can I do with this one? $130 milliamps. And it's not charging. For some of these electronics, the price is higher on eBay, but keep in mind if you sell on eBay, you have to pay like 9% to eBay, like 3% to PayPal, and you'll get on some point. Okay, so how do you open this? I open the screws. Not from here. Yeah, plastic clips. But you see, it's not charging. You leave this tablet on charge, it's not charging, so it's dead. Wow, this is a nice battery connection, look. It's like a car battery. That's nice. From my point of view, the battery seems fine. 3 amps and I have 4.2 volts on the other side. Seems to be okay. And now it's charging 1.2 amps, which is fine. So our companies, they are doing this kind of business, just buying job lot, yeah, keep in mind, job lot of non-working things, and they are selling, after they fix it, job lot of second-hand things, yeah, like working second-hand. Where's the power button on this one? No? Here, yeah? We have the charging LED here. Let's see if the screen is good. Let's check the voltage on the battery. .6 volts. Power is here. Let's help the charge the battery. Oh yeah, the tablet is on. Yeah, Wi-Fi setup, blah blah blah, so the tablet is working. Yeah, that's a working tablet. Let's disconnect the plus just to shut down the... So let's shut that down from the bottom. If we can. Yeah. Power off. So why I did even open these screws? Oh, no, no, no. Okay, yeah, you have to open those screws. Yeah, okay. And also, yeah, many others. They are buying. They are buying like these tablets, which are here, are mean nothing. But on the other country, like a poor country, it means something. It means you a device you can access the internet, you can play. So So based on what I see, the internal resistance of the battery, I'll say this is good. This is okay. Yeah. Samsung. It's not saying anything. If it's not saying anything, it can be good. The tablets which they don't have a fault, they are good. So you can see it's charging 1 amp, displaying, everything is fine. It's no point wasting time. What's this? Motherboard fault. Wow. Why they think it's a motherboard fault? We have the wide Samsung charger. Let's find it first. Samsung, okay. Why they think it's a motherboard fault? 0.4. 1.6 amps, like new. What do you mean it's a motherboard fault? Because it's not displaying and the current dropped to 0.4. Yeah, I suppose I have to change the cable again. Let's change the cable. And the other plug. Let's see again. .6 stable. 1.6 amps. So we don't have the picture. Exactly, that's the problem. But I will not say, you know what, it's a motherboard fault. Can be a screen fault. Did you think about that? Yeah, that's the way I open this tablet? Or maybe not? No, I'm wrong. No. No. Here, dip. We have a micro SD card? No, we don't. Okay. Good. So we know the battery is good. We know the charging is good. What I want to check is the screen connector. Okay, yeah, the coil from the graphic chip is missing. Okay. Yeah, this is gone. So someone already tried to fix it. I know that coil. That coil is gone. Someone remove it. Yeah. This cannot be fixed. Yeah, you can't fix everything. Can be fixed. Okay. Next one. Freezing screen glitching. What do you mean? 1.6 amps. It's charging fine. And the current just dropped to 0. Battery is too low. .7 stable. This can have that, you know, you have that video with the cable, with the screen cable. I think that's the case. It's worth checking. Freezing screen. Only that can be the reason. The cable from the board to the screen. Yeah, this has a micro SD card. .42 gig. Good. Okay, look at the cable. Yeah, look at the cable. I'll show you under the microscope. So that's the problem with these tablets. I made a few videos about this fault. You see the white line from the connector? It's not a line. You can see the line? It's not a line, you can see that. Yeah, it's on one side. Yeah, that's the reason why the tablet is freezing, is glitching. Okay. Now it's straight. You know what, let's check even this connection. Yeah. Perfect. This is I knew. That's great. There's no even point to check because this is a common fault. It's a common fault with these tablets. Check one more time if it's working. 1.6 amps. Picture great. So this tablet is fixed. Done. Next one. It's not saying anything. I don't know, it's not saying the fault. Let's check together. Can be same fault. Can be. .7 amps. This is fine. I'm wasting time. I'll give the tablets to Manuel, my colleague, to reset them. Yeah? Well, it's fine. We have here 3, 4, 5, 6 tablets, 6 working tablets, yeah? Manuel.
Yeah, there's no iCloud on it, but I've seen
Restore.
the pictures from the recently deleted.
Okay. We finished the tablets. What do we have? We have a camera. 1 second. We have a Canon 700D. Lens lock broken. Let's check if we can fix it. Yeah, it's fine. If not, it's okay. I fixed like 2 days ago. I fixed like 10 camera, but I haven't made the video. Yeah, it's not locking on place. What can I do with something like that? You know, maybe I will buy something like that because I need a camera which is working with Magic Lantern. You know, Magic Lantern for video. For video, this camera are shutting down every 30 minutes because I don't know. This is the law and this is, I don't know, the requirements, and any camera like the DSLR from Canon, they have to shut down every 30 minutes. So you install a third-party software called Magic Lantern, and you can do a lot of extra stuff, like the camera is not shutting down, you can have a clear HDMI, things like that. Let's charge the battery. Let's charge the battery and check. Yeah, we have the battery here, 7.4 volts. Does mean we have to use higher voltage. 9 volts is fine. Less amps. Minus. Plus. And the battery is taking 2.2 amps, which is great. So I will be off Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Monday is bank holiday. But from what I checked the weather, and here on near London it will be like 30 degrees, which will be crazy. It'll be insane. It's not only about temperature; it's about high humidity. A high humidity with temperature is not a good combination. It's not a good combo. Okay, let's see. On, no card and camera, no card. Okay, live view. Live view, it's working. No focus, autofocus. Okay. And autofocus is not working from what reason? Because there's no card. Don't worry, we have a card here. We have one. SD card. Yeah, the focus is working. This lens is like 50 millimeters, f1.8. It is working. Yeah, so the camera is working, but the lens lock is not working. And probably now the battery will get discharged. It's working great. Still can be sold. The lock is not working. But still a good camera. Hmm. 700D. Yeah, but I can't fix the lock. I'll not even try. What we are doing next? Huh? What about a MacBook UEFI unlocked? Let's see. This is same like with the JSON one. Oh, don't tell me the battery is dead, because I don't have the charger. It is dead. Let me call. Okay, let me get a charger. Yeah, we have the BIOS chip here. Yeah. So we'll see if we can unlock it or not. It's kind of boring, I know. Hmm? Yeah, that's my food. Yeah, cookies. These are good cookies. Hmm. 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 So good. One second. Yeah, so we got the charger. Let's see. Let's see. This laptop is the customer one, yeah. But he forgot the iCloud password. Yeah, we do have iCloud password there. Yeah. But he provide us, yeah, receipt. Okay. He went to Apple, and I don't know what's the story. But anyway, it's a legit customer, so it's nothing illegal here. This is not stolen or things like that.
It's not gonna happen.
But I don't know, or Apple asks more than us, I don't know. I don't really know. But at the moment the customer has a receipt, I don't care. So we need to find BIOS chip. Let's see the BIOS chip, how it looks. Okay, it's a small one. Wow. It's a tiny one. That's great. That's great. Let's see where we can find this chip on the board. Not on this side of the board, so we have to take the board out. Yeah. Let's start with the battery. It's a good idea to avoid buying and fixing stolen things. It's bad. I know it can look like it's easy money, but actually you'll have more headache. Yeah, the screen connector. Let's take carefully the board out. Yeah, and that's the board. You remember the video from yesterday with this dial, double dial? This is on touch. Okay, where is the BIOS chip? Any idea? Yes, here, Winbond. Yeah? So let's do it. $25 $264. This one is the same. 64, okay. So let's replace the BIOS chip. Where is it? It's here. Okay. Let's use some flux. The chip position. Yeah, normal one. $393. Let's do it with $393. Yeah. Less air. What? Okay, let's cover that area. Yeah. Any more air? Okay. That's the old one. Let's come with the new one. Perfect. Let's clean it. Perfect. Let me grab the laptop. You have to be careful of all these cables. That cable, this. Okay. It's one more here, yeah, it is. Perfect. You see what I told you? Look. The heat wave pull out Britain one step from a national emergency assuring 33 Celsius. Over bank holiday. Okay, so it'll be mad hot. You know what I'm doing normally? Normally I wake up like 4 o'clock in the morning and I open everything. And around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock I close everything. And that's the way how I can keep cool everything over the day. Yeah? I don't like the heat, you know. I'm fat. I hate the heat. Kind of fat, not really fat. I just want to check before. I will not plug the battery. Before put it all back together, I just want to check if everything is okay with the new BIOS chip. It is coming on. So why we don't have the folder sign on the screen? Hmm? Because the screen connector is not connected. Like usual. Always forget this connector.
Hello, my friend. Hello, sir. Hello, Finger.
Let's try. I need a USB. I need a USB-C to USB. You know what? I don't need that one. Let me just plug it and see if we have the folder sign here. 1 second. Okay. Let's see if we have the folder sign. No? Yes, we do have the folder sign on the screen. So it will not ask us like before of iCloud account, yeah? So we are fine, we are okay. Yeah? Good. So let's put all back together. Yeah, it's okay. Let me shut it down. Okay, that's fine. It's not this one. Not this one. Maybe are too big. Maybe are not from there. We'll see on them. Yeah, these are not from here. Let's find out. Yeah, these are not from here. It's crazy. Yeah? No. No, no. No, fine, thank you. These are from Solid State Drive. Yeah? Strange. Oh, that's sick. Again, I have 2 screws left. They are not from here. Maybe this. Yeah, probably. Probably these are from here. And these long ones, it will come here, yeah? Yes. That's fantastic, and we have 1 screw left. From where is this screw? Hmm? Hey, what about this one? Oh, don't tell me this was from behind of the heatsink. I can't believe, and I have to open this. Or not. No? Yeah, so here we are fine. How much I hate the MacBooks. Okay, the screw is from here. We found out where that screw must be. Yeah, finally. Okay, the screw is from here. From the heatsink. So we are okay, yeah? Good? That's perfect. I don't even know if it's on or not. It is on because the processor is warm. Yeah, folder sign. It's all done. Okay. Perfect. Here's the back cover. Is here. And that's how the laptop came here. So I'm okay. Yeah, the customer hard drive, which is here. I will leave it here because someone has to install the operating system on it. No, no Manek. No, non mi fa, un braccio slabesque. Yeah, looks like, huh? No, no, I'm telling you nothing. Looks like it's the lunch break on the shop. Everyone is eating. But it's too early. I try to stay away from the food. It's quite dead today. Not many customers. Okay, let's go next one. Next job. That's the old BIOS chip. Oh, you can't see, sorry, I forgot the... Yeah, that's the old one. Next job. Okay. This is the most boring one. PS4 HDMI port. Yeah. This is boring. What you asked for? Yeah, you remember? Oh, we want more video like shop workflow. Yeah, we have it. Why I should go get bored myself, you know? Let's get bored together. This has been opened before because doesn't have the seal, yeah? HDMI jobs are still good paid and it's kind of easy. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let's open all the screws. I suppose you all know already. You know how to replace this HDMI port. Wow, 2 hours already. Okay, we have a screw here. It's from the other side. take out the power supply. Where is the screw? Okay, that was the one. Okay, let's take out the cables. This one, and this one. That's all. Wow, this is sick. I don't think I can fix it. This is crazy. I think someone tried to fix it, tried to replace, or has been replaced before, but very dodgy. So what's that? The whole trucks are broken. You know that the whole trucks. This is sick. I think are broken because I cannot see why they are black. But you know what? I'll take the HDMI out and I'll check. Yeah. No, the trucks are fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's the HDMI port. Yeah, so the all trucks are okay. Let's have a look together. Huh? What do you think? I think we are good. Yeah. So let's replace the HDMI port like usual with the heat from the back of the board, yeah? With the heat from the back of the board. You know what I should use? Give me 1 second. I should use some solder. Okay. Let's just solder the everything, the pads, everything. Be sure it's enough solder here.
Oh, this is festival. After this, makes it good. SC processor is better on the SC. When I use that.
Let's try and solder the HDMI port. With the heat from the back, yeah? I move it. I can't believe it was not. Let's try one more time. That should be fine. Okay, I'm not happy with the position. Should be a little bit more on that side.
CES.
Looks fine. We can clean it and test it, yeah? What happened here? Let's test it. After that I'll replace the thermal paste and we can put it all back together. It's important to know if it's working or not. No, we need this? No, we don't need this. But we need a power supply. Good. The HDMI connection from here. Give me a power cable. 2 pins power cable. Okay, this is fine. Let me plug it 1 second. Power on. No, it's not working. It's not working. Let's solder the pins one by one, yeah? Okay, let's do it. Yeah, I was thinking I have to solder the HDMI port each pin. I was thinking about that. The problem is I don't have a solder iron like that one, like 40 watts one. Because I need a lot of heat here. So I'm not really sure how I will do it with this solder iron. Oh, sorry, I forgot the camera. Can't believe. So what I will do, I will heat up first the HDMI port, the board, and I'll try to solder. Yeah. Well, the microscope is not plugged in. Okay, don't worry. I'll do it quickly. Yeah? I know what I mean. This solder iron is good for things which they not require high power. And we have a bridge. We have a bridge. Can't believe I made a bridge. Any more hit, so I'll use the silver iron. I use the hot gun machine. Yeah. Let's check now. This is taking too long. Let's see. Power. We have to switch. Okay, on the HDMI. On. And it's working. You can see the PlayStation on the screen. Yeah, it's overheating because it's not it's working fine. Let's replace the thermal paste. You know what, I will do it after anyway. Yeah. I need a cigarette. I need a proper one. I need a proper cigarette. Yeah, we can test it one more time. But I think I'll stop this. Maybe on the end of the day I'll eat something, you know? Maybe something healthy. Okay, let's try one more time. Ah, sorry, let me switch. Oh, it's not on. Now it's on. Wait, what? What's wrong here? On? On and picture. So it's working, we have picture, yeah? Obviously it's no hard drive there. But we should say on the screen like no hard drive. Maybe I shall plug the hard drive. Let's plug the hard drive. Let's just to be sure it's working fine, yeah? The hard drive is plugged. Cannot connect, cannot start, blah blah blah. We need a controller, but it's displaying fine, yeah? It's displaying fine. I don't really trust my HDMI thing because this cable, the HDMI, is going on the HDMI switch, and from the HDMI switch is going on the HDMI capture card. It's a long story, yeah? And from the capture card is coming to the OBS, and from the output of the computer, from the graphic card, is coming on this monitor. It's a long way for HDMI, but it's still working, still displaying. So I'm sure this is good, yeah? I'll replace the thermal paste after my break. But anyway, I'll stop now. Hopefully you get bored enough. 2 hours and a half. 2 hours and a half. So you just spent with me 2 hours and a half. Oh yeah, that's the job, you know, what you can do. What you can do. I'll go to have a good one. Okay. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, yeah? Very soon we will make 100,000. I will make a special video there. I have no idea what video, but should be a special one, yeah. Definitely. And see you. Probably see you next week, you know? Yeah. It's Friday, I will take it easy from now. Bye.